Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Microsoft Store has blocked. Please check your IT or system administrator in Windows 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also face this error, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, press on Windows key, then search here WS reset. Click here. After that, close this window. Again press on Windows key, then search here Windows PowerShell. Right click on this, click on Run as Administrator. Here copy and paste some of the command. This command is available on my video description. Copy and paste. Hit enter. Copy next. Copy and paste next command. Hit enter. Then copy and paste last command. Then hit enter. After doing this, close this window. Go to the register editor. Right click on this. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to apply. Then double click on HKEY local machine. Then double click on software. Double click on policies. Then double click on Microsoft. In this you search Windows Store. I didn't have Windows Store. If you have, select here. Then right click on Require Private Store Only. Then click on Modify 0. Then press on OK. After doing this, once you restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.